SPY midday report. SPY 50-day retracement bear flagging currently. It is what it is. Let's see if it can break the low of today and it continue to move for more downside. We have the QQQ. QQQ is holding this level. This is a previous level of support, so it's giving currently. It looks like the bulls are fighting back. Let's see what happens here. If it can break, it needs to break above this 86 area for me to even consider getting to the long side. And it's, again, we want to see if it's going to hold. So let's see if it flushes out or it holds. IWM, not IQM, IWM, same thing. Want to see how that one works out. We see that we've broken this channel and it came, tested, and broke down. Again, this is not a bullish sign to me at all. It could just be, if you get a little pop up and continue down, same thing that we had here when we bull flag tested this 50 MA and then rolled back to the downside. So wouldn't be getting too happy here. DIY. The diamond looks like it's just flagging, same thing. You could just take this, see that it's coming down, flagging, holding at the 200, breaks below this 153.12. It continues to the downside. A couple names that I was looking at today. Tesla, that one is holding up pretty well, all considering. It did flush down, but if it gets above this 186 area, I'm looking to go long on that. Seeing it test back these highs. Apple actually held. Look like I posted something on Twitter live about a trade that's set up, basically above this 511 area, and it rolled up. Looks like it's trying to get to that gap, the low of the gap, which is 515. It breaks above that. Again, we see it get above the 200. You see the volume is increasing, but that's just pretty much intraday stuff, not stuff to really look at. Buy and hold type of situation. UnderArmour looks good. UnderArmour to me is a long over 108.72 to the upside. One looks good. I'm just waiting for that one to go. Names continue to look weak. Goldman Sachs definitely continues to look weak, getting to the top of this down the trend line that we have going here. Not a little bit sloppy, quite honestly. Move this up to here. All right, that's a little better. And it's just not looking good. So if it can break the low of this candle, which I'm looking to get short in at 159.77, this would then be another flag, break it to the downside, and then from there we could really see it move. Priceline did look like it continued, and then it bounced back. I was looking at this, and I didn't get into this trade, but it rolled back pretty well. So it got to that low that we're looking at right around in this area, and it did pop back up. So we'll revisit that one, but I'm not looking to go long that. I'm looking to go short that again. Away. This one breaks this 138 level. Definitely looks like it could get lower. Test the 36. That's pretty decent move, almost 10% move, and maybe even get to this 34 level. So I'm looking for a test to this low and to continue, and I will get back in that 1-3D. Fought back. I think that there's just a lot of people pretty much, if they were in the short, just covered it at the end of the day. So if this is a trade for you, you need to understand what you're getting into. This is not a long term. This is the weekly chart. So it tapped at 50, but it got back to this previous level, damn near close to that 52.43 level. So long now, hell no. So I just don't do stuff like this. This is not my style. If it's your style, that's fine. But right here, right now, hell no, I wouldn't do it. I'm waiting for it to. It's not trending. The trend is clearly down. If you can't see that, I'm sorry. But let me just draw something quickly. Yes, you see that little dotted arrow? That's down. That's showing a 43% rip to the downside too. So keep that in mind. There is heavy volume here. If you're going to be a gap player, make sure that you're looking at this thing for intraday. Don't be trying to look at it to swing trade. I don't do that. Wouldn't suggest doing that either. But those are the names I see today. I'll keep this video short, midday, and then I'll do one after the market closes. Take care.